Hello everyone, hope all of you are fine. Right now I am at Old Delhi Railway Station or Delhi Railway Station as some people call it. And this is not the usual New Delhi Railway Station, which is the most busiest and the biggest station in Delhi. It is the other station of Delhi and it is one of the oldest stations. The reason I am emphasizing on this is because both the stations are different and they are a bit far away from each other. So you don't have to go on to the wrong station. And most of the trains from Delhi to Amritsar starts or passes through New Delhi railway station. And this is Vande Bharat Express, which we are going to do a journey in. It is the fastest train and it starts from Old Delhi railway station. So let's see how the experience would be. It takes less than 6 hours to complete this journey. I'll share the details like fare, food, punctuality and overall comfort and how the features are in this particular Vande Bharat Express. I have come a bit early because I always keep a little bit of buffer, and I always recommend, if in case you're traveling in any big city, keep a little bit of buffer and reach to your station well in time. Let me take a little bit of rest and then we will start a journey once the train comes from Amritsar to Delhi, because the train which will be coming from Amritsar to Old Delhi is the one which is going to return from Old Delhi to Amritsar. That's the entrance, and very next to it is the premium lounge and the upper class AC waiting hall. And I was resting in premium lounge. It is 50 rupees per hour and it is very close to our train. You can see there is the Vande Bharat Express. That side it is standing on platform number 2. So we will head towards that. If in case you want to rest, then I would recommend you can choose premium lounge if you want to work, and charging points are good and the seats are also very good. You can get food also. And if you want to save some money and still want an AC accommodation, then upper class AC waiting hall is also there. I think 10 rupees per hour is charged over there. Now let's get to our train and let's see when the door opens of our Vande Bharat Express. That's our train on platform number 4. I thought it was on platform number 2, but it's on platform number 4. So it is still not yet ready and the door is still not open. Let's see when it opens and then we'll get inside. My coach is C4. So my seat was on that side, but I changed it over this side because there was a small kid and there is this emergency talk button, and this is like an alternate for chain pulling, but the train doesn't stop. The system is like this, that if you press it, then the loco pilot answers it, and if you don't have a valid reason, then he informs the RPF to take action, and he continues with his duty of managing the train. So this is something which is not to be used unless it is an emergency case of situation. It is also mentioned in the instruction over here. So use it if in case there is some situation which is like really need any help. But most of things would be addressed to you without the train stopping. The important thing is if someone is coming to drop you off, like porter or friend or family or anyone, then just simply tell them like to get down the train before the train departs, because once the door is closed it doesn't get opened and the loco pilot will never open it for you, neither the train manager will open it for you. So this is something which I've seen people have faced problem, so just be aware of that. And let's see the coach layout. Once I show you the coach layout, then probably we should depart also. The door of our train actually opened hardly like 25 or 30 minutes before the departure. Let's see the coach layout, how this particular AC chair car is. That's how the coach layout is. There is the footrest, bottle holder, net, and this is the table to keep any food item or laptop or anything like that. And on top you can keep your luggage, and there is the display which you can see. And this is the emergency talk button which I was mentioning about, and it is very close over here, and it has all the instructions also mentioned over here. And the charging point is beneath.
प्लेट तो मिल गया तो है यार कैसे नहीं मिला यार मेरे को तो मिल गया यार अभी सेक्टर में गया उसको
We have just crossed Sonipat and it is roughly around like 3:45 and he has started to serve the evening snacks. Now I'll show you the evening snacks how it is and what all the items are there in the evening snack. So let's see what they are. So these are the items. This is the snacks chivda and this is instant premix ginger flavor. You want you can have coffee also. And this is the tomato ketchup. And this is orange patisa in terms of sweet, which I'll have later, not right now in the mood to have too much of sweet. And this is the hand sanitizer, and this is the juice, which is apple flavor for Tropicana. And this is the kachori, which I'll open and show you how it is. This is the kachori and the taste is quite good. There is not too much of filling, but the cover is also not too thick, but overall the taste and the temperature is fine. And this is the ginger tea, which is ready. So I'll quickly finish this evening snacks and then we will see many more skips and crossings and whatever would be possible in this evening. करवाता है रात को कितने तो मिल गया नहीं पता कितने तो पैसे मिल गए हैं कितने पैसे मिले तुम्हें साढ़े 40 45 40 45 हेलो तेरे पाटा मेरे ज़्यादा मैं 40 50 हज़ार तो पूरा नहीं आप बता जा तो ऐसे तो निकलता है वो पूरा इकट्ठा नहीं आ पाता बिग बॉस का
अरे आओ फ्रेंड्स भी पक्का हुआ तो मैं स्नैप को मैं बना छोड़ देता यार ऑफिस में प्रेजेंटेशन हाँ और उसके बाद वो और भी कौन चीज क्या
यह ट्रेन अम्बाला स्टेशन पर पहुंचने वाली है। We are approaching Ambala station. कृपया ट्रेन Please board carefully only after the train has come to a complete halt. कृपया अपना सारा सामान अपने संग ले जाना न भूलें। Please remember to take all your belongings with you.
We reached Ambala and we reached here before time, and the run was really wonderful, and I hope you enjoyed the skips which I showed to you. If you're getting down at Ambala and if you have taken catering option, then you would get the evening snacks and all those items, and if in case you're going further, then also you will get it, but the charge will be the same for catering option. This place is very important, and there is an army cantonment also over here, so there is like a lot of movement from here, and this is one of the very high booking and very important stations on this particular route. I don't think any train skips this particular station except I think maybe Rajdhani Express and I think Duronto Express. Two trains or so don't have official stop over here. So yeah, all the Vande Bharat Express, all the Shatabdi Express stops over here. And there are various options if in case you're traveling from Delhi to Ambala. So whichever is convenient for you with respect to timing, you can take it. This particular train, comfort and run was really wonderful. Let's see how further it would be. I'm not going to get down even though we have reached before time, because if in case the door is closed, then I'll be stuck outside. I don't want to take the risk, and I won't recommend anyone taking that risk either. We will explore further our journey. I hope it would be punctual as it has been so far, and the run would be fascinating. It was wonderful to enjoy being on the sea and train doing 130 km per hour. Let's see how further it would be.
हरियाणा दिल्ली राजस्थान मुझे अजीब लग रहा है बिकॉज आई कैन टेक फॉर वन you one thing and you can draw your organization structure. एक ऑफिस में
Doors are closing. The last seat by already changed.
डस्टबिन आया पानी बोतल का तो यहाँ पे सब दीवार है पानी की बोतल है आमों की पानी की बोतल यहाँ पे बोतल वन बोतल एंड टू बोतल
क्लैप करने क्लैपिंग है ना नहीं क्लैप किसी भी नहीं करनी 17 आउट आउट वार्मिंग आउट फिर आउट 8 19 अब तो ऐसे नहीं करना हाथ ऐसे करते 1 2 3 4 5
We reached Ludhiana with a delay of almost 20 minutes and we have promptly started after 2-minute halt. So yeah, Vande Bharat is something which is very unique and special. Let's see how the journey is going to be further on in terms of punctuality. The delay is because there was a lot of track work which was being done between Ambala and Ludhiana, especially at major and important stations. So that is why it was pretty much more time utilization than this train than it actually had been. Now, as far as dinner is considered, dinner is only provided to passengers who go to Bias or Amritsar. So, if in case you're going beyond Jalandhar, then you will get the dinner. Otherwise, you won't get it. Let's see how the punctuality will be further on because it's reflection now after sunset. It's already 7 o'clock. So, yeah, nothing to see outside. Anyways, we will see how the punctuality is and also how the dinner would be of this particular Vande Bharat Express.
अच्छा कोई होटल तो नहीं है जी
बात कितना अच्छा बात है आपको
कोई फगवाड़ा निकल जाए तो फिर आप उड़ दे ये भी तेरे जैसे वो
पापा ने तैयार किए बेटा
नहीं बेटा कुछ नहीं किया
चलो इधर इधर आप बस ऊपर बैठ करिए
मैं ऐसे बोला काली के लिए ऊपर
वो जा रहे हैं
वो जा रहे हैं खेल रहे हैं
मुझे लगता है 9th क्लास के बच्चे तो पाएंगे उनका पेपर जो है गोदी में आ रहा चुपचाप गोदी में
मुझे पापा की बात जाना मुझे जाने दो मुझे पापा की बात जाने दो प्लीज मुझे पापा के पास जाने दो।
अगर आपने कोई और शरारत की रास्ते में तो मैंने आपका टेंट हाउस विंडो से बाहर घेर
पापा
देना
के
है।
पास बैठो।
अच्छा इसके बाद कोई शरारत की तो मैंने टेंट हाउस अपने घेर देना है।
This is how the food is. That is rice, and this is cottage cheese curry with good, decent size cottage cheese pieces, and this is mixed vegetable, pickle, curd, and hand sanitizer. I've used wipe, which I don't want to use right now. Salt, and this is the dal, which generally is preferred in the state of Punjab. Actually, it's kind of like a rajma curry, so that's something nice and healthy. And this is two paratha or roti type. That's the food which is provided, and it looks good in terms of quantity. Now I'll have it and let you know how is the taste. And I'm happy that no one is beside me, because I definitely need 2 tables to properly get my food settled and opened. And I'll have it quickly because we have to see Bias also when we reach. And then I think by 8:45, 8:50, or at least by 9 we should be reaching Amritsar. And I have just got the bottle of water extra. It is quite cold, but I will have it later. And yeah, let's finish this food first. I completed with my food, and the food in terms of quantity and quality was top notch, no problem with that. So the food of this particular train is really good, evening snacks as well as the dinner. Now I've come to the washroom to wash my hand, so I wanted to show you some features of washroom also. If in case you are having food or anything, then you can just simply skip this part, or you can watch it later. And if in case you are fine watching it, then please enjoy whatever the features of Vande Bharat washroom is. This is the hand dryer which can be used, and it is working. And this is the hand shower, and this is the handle, flush button, and this is some fire extinguisher kind of thing. These are the instructions, and this is another handle. The hooks are like this, I don't know why. And that's the soap, and that's the handle to keep any towel or anything. And that's the big mirror you can see, and that's the wash basin, which is quite spacious. So that's pretty much how the washroom is. These are the things which are there in the washroom of Vande Bharat: hand dryer and the hooks and flush button, and overall the feeling is different than the normal washroom of other trains. So that is why it's a little bit different in terms of washroom at least. And in dessert, ice cream was provided, and it was a cream bell butterscotch flavor. So I'll head back to my seat, and I'll finish it off. It was very hard, so I thought like I'll have it later on, and we will see when we reach Amritsar.
इसका तो करके बैठो बैठो बैठो, और ये करिए बैठो बैठो बैठो, इसको करके मत करिए।
अरे तो वहाँ से देखो पापा है क्या? देखो उधर जाके देखो, जाओ देखो आगे होंगे। अरे आगे होंगे यार।
चल देख, मैं देखते हैं पापा।
We have reached Amritsar by 9 p.m., almost 9 p.m. So the delay was around like 10-15 minutes or so. I hope you enjoyed the journey. It was a short journey, I would say, because after Ludhiana there was nothing much to see outside. The food was good, the punctuality was a little bit up and down, not too much. And the comfort was also fine, the safety was also fine. So I would say the train is really very fantastic. If in case you still have any questions, queries or suggestions, feel free to ask through the comment section. Thanks a lot for watching the entire video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button. Share it if someone is traveling in this particular train. Travel safe, take care, and always be happy.